how to recognize like price movement practically in the dark when the trend is just like beginning to form. So there is a super indicator that shows that the price will fly at the earliest stages, and it's called MACD. Perhaps you have heard about it in like 100 times, but do you really know how to use it? The MACD has its own features that many ignore simply because they don't know about them. So although it is like these techniques that allow you to use the indicator 100% and earn more. So while others are just waiting, you can already see the emerging trend. So use these, friends. That's really cool. And you will be able to control your profits. So, and please subscribe to my channel and discover other effective trading techniques. Let's start. As you can see just now, I choose today currency pairs with big percentage of payout. That's because like, let's get started. So I guess, MACD or moving average convergence divergence is a technical indicator that it's used to determine the price trend direction in the market. It consists of two moving averages. Let's see, what are they? We need to tap the pencil button and then we will see. So it consists of two moving averages, EMA and the histogram. So the MACD signal line is calculated as the difference between two moving averages and is an oscillator that helps traders identify changes in the price trend. If the MACD value is above the signal line, so it is considered to buy signal. And if it is below, it's considered a sell signal. So guys, like it is the base. Today's settings are of course default settings, just because for you to show how it's working with these kind of settings. Anyway, I think it is our time to make our cool first profit. As you see from these straightforward situations, the trend went down and right now it is rising. Let's see how it is working. We need to be really attentive because, like as you see, we're working today with 30 seconds time expiration and 2 minutes for time frame. I will go with my all-in and I will check the situation with put option. So we are here with my first profit, and yes, as I mentioned to you before, we need to be really attentive in this kind of situation because as you see the whole graphic is going up, but still if we are zooming in our current moment, we will see that the candlesticks are pretty short, especially when their peaks are getting to the support level. Yes, as you see. And you can see these kind of situations right over here and right over here, and it's really good. Still, we're dealing with the rise in the price, and I think I will leave this kind of situation for a moment, and we will go to the second currency pair. So, from the first side, we're dealing with like pretty controversial situation because like. Candlesticks that are having long wicks, as we can see, and anyway, I'll zoom out. Okay, see the whole situation. We're looking at pretty like volatile situation, and as you can see, there is kind of like 3 peaks of the price. It is pattern, and I think I will go with this sign also. That's because I will check my investment box again, and I will go with the $95, and we'll check this situation with call option. Again, I'm in a profit, and it's working really good and working really hard. And that's because we're here with my almost $200 already after 2 trades. And you see that though it's still anyway, if we are here with a pretty difficult situation with these candlesticks, with this situation. And in the last 3 candlesticks, the trend cleared up a little bit. And right now we are working with the uptrend. And if we look at the MACD indicator, we will see that after this intersection, MACD line went straight up. I'm really happy that it worked out for us pretty good. And as you can see, the MACD histogram is the difference between 2 MACD values and the signal line. If I tell you that now I'm giving you your first rewards from trading, it's $1,000, will you follow my steps? I believe that you will do. So now, please keep your attention because the source I'm sharing with you is actually a key for your reward. I'm sharing with you the real-time trading signals on my Telegram channel, so all of you can gain this $1,000 just in a few hours of trading and a few clicks. Trades which I'm sharing give up to 9% of profit, so with even $100 you can gain your $1,000 easily. Remember, who doesn't try never gets. So don't waste this opportunity. Follow my Telegram channel, link you will find in the description, and see you there. So positive values indicate an increase in the price rise momentum, while negative values indicate an increase in the price fall momentum. MACD is widely used by traders to identify entry and exit points for trades. It can also be used in conjunction with other indicators and strategies to improve trading decisions. So anyway, as you can see, I'm dealing with my cool profits with just MACD indicator. So let's go to the next pair with also big percentage of payout, and that because I'm really looking forward to make the next trade here. So let's see. The situation is forming the next wave. I can say, looking at the whole picture for the last few hours, that's because you see I will just go with it. I will go with $180 and I will check the situation with a call option. So guys, $300 and half already in my pocket, and you see again the situation is pretty similar like the previous pair, because we are working with rising of the price. After some rebound, as you can see, all of you. So as I mentioned to you before, we're just dealing with a forming wave. Also MACD indicators show me if we look at the histogram especially, that after some time under the level of 0, the situation reversed. And right now we are working with this situation with the last 2 green bars. That's because we are dealing with this intersection, this one. So let's have a moment in the next currency pair and let's see what I will have here. So let's see. From the first type, we're looking at the short candlesticks, and that because I want to wait a little bit, and while I'm waiting, I will talk about advantages of MACD indicator. Okay, guys. So the first one will be easy to use. So MACD is a relatively simple indicator that is easy to interpret. Traders do not need to deep understanding of mathematical models to use this indicator. So and also it is about ability to identify trends. So MACD helps to identify the direction of price trend in the market and changes in the direction of price movement. So it is valuable information for traders when making decisions about entering and exiting trades. So after this cool rising of the price reached its peak and it formed a dodgy red candlestick, and right after that the situation went down. So you see MACD indicator showing us that there will be an intersection. We want to catch the right moment. I think that because I will change my investment box to $345 and I will check the situation with call option. So guys, a pretty difficult situation. As I mentioned you before, it was the rising of the price, firstly. And secondly, if we look at MACD indicator, we will see that yes, looking at the bars, we will see that red bars are starting to narrow. It was also a cool sign for us to catch at the right moment. Nevertheless, I don't really recommend beginners to work with these kind of situations because like it's about like the guys like to catching the right moment, and it just requires some knowledge of trading in binary options. And if you want them, you can go to my Telegram channel, of course. Yeah, where I share like pretty cool information about it with my own free signals. So let's go to the last currency pair, American dollar and Brazilian real. Yeah. So, and we're working with the downfall, looking at MACD indicators. So that's it. And okay, like I said, I think I will not waste any time. Go to check my investment box. So $645 will be my investment box, and I will check the situation with call option. $1,000 already in my pocket. I'm really happy about it, and yes, guys, it was pretty simple for me because like we just worked with this developing green candlesticks. It was pretty long, so the timing was giving me pretty good entry point. I just catched my right moment looking at the MACD indicator, and the situation is falling, but still, if we look at the green line, we will see these bumps of the price, and right now we are looking at them in our graphic. As you see, it's really cool, pretty easy, and I think it's time to go to the first currency pair. Next point about advantage of MACD indicator will be signal generation. The MACD indicator generates buy and sell signals based on the crossing of its lines and the formation of the histogram. So, like the signals can help traders identify periods of strengthening and weakening market movements. So, guys, as you see, I'm really trusting this kind of signals when the intersection like are happening. So, because like they are pretty clear, to be honest, and we are seeing them in our graphics, and we just can provide ourselves with cool profits like that. Let's try out next currency pair. Okay. That's because I will go with my like $1,245, and we'll check the situation with call option. Yeah, that's good. So it's $2,000, and I have already in my pocket. And thanks to MACD indicator, of course, I just catched my right moment because you see, like without any intersection, the green line is above the signal, and it's going like really straightforward without any like hesitation. And also you see that yes, the histogram is showing us pretty cool signals to go with call option in the next 30 seconds also. So the next point will be flexibility. Okay, so as you see, MACD can be customized to the trade specific needs by changing their periods on the moment averages, making it like versatile to work with the different trading strategies. And as you can see, as you can remember, and you can just change your settings like that. So just touching your pen, and you can color them like that. Also, you can change periods. But today I'm still staying with the default settings. Why not? Let's go to the second currency pair. We go with not really sure about this situation because it is pretty dangerous to trade, and nevertheless I want to wait a little bit. Maybe it's worth it, but still. Okay, I will give this situation some time, and we'll go to the third currency pair. I will not waste any time with this because we're here with the cool currency pair with the bigger percentage of payout, and I'm ready to make my new investment. Let's go with $2,400, and I will check the situation with the put option. $4,000 in my pocket already. I'm really happy that we are working with the cool profits, with the pretty cool signals from indicator from the graphic, and thanks to, of course, my knowledge of trading in binary options and from clear signals of MACD, we can see that there's, after this anti-section, the situation went up. Nevertheless, if we look right now at the end of the signal and the green line and look at the histogram, we will see that yes, the situation is trying to change, but it's not really rapid because of the 2 minutes time frame. And yes, it is about catching the right moment, guys. And I also think that it's time to go to the next currency pair with same percentage. Nevertheless, really excited about it. So also, guys, about the advantages, it is used in combination with our other indicators. Sorry. So it is also important thing, like really important one. In MACD combines well, like with the other like technical indicators to improve market analysis and the accuracy of trading decisions. So, okay, let me show how it's working. Let me see. Okay, let's go with the Keltner channel. I will stay with the same settings, and that's because I will work with it like that. And you can see that the MACD fits pretty perfectly with the candle channel, because if we look at the different kind of perspectives, opinions, how you can work with that. That's because after this intersection, MACD is showing us that the green line for some minutes was under the signal line, and that's because we are seeing this kind of picture. And right now, there is another intersection and the situation is going up, looking at the candle channel. And what I can say, nevertheless, I need to be really attentive, because again, looking at the candle channel, we're seeing pretty volatile trending. And let's go to our investment box, like $3,000 will be in my investment box, and I will go with call option. So you see that we're working with a pretty long developing green candlesticks, and I'm here with my new profit. I'm really excited, and still I want to double my sum. That's because I will go to another currency, and I think it will be our last trade. So the situation is really interesting, because after this downfall, the whole trend is in the corridor of Keltner channel, and still the situation is like going down in pretty wavy situation. And I think I will check my profit with another $3,000, and I will go with 6 with call option. So $12,000, almost $13,000 in my pocket. I'm really, really happy. Yeah, that's because I need to stop my session right now. Right here, because of my sense of professional trader. So like sometimes it is really important. So in general, the popularity of the MACD indicator is due to its simplicity, effectiveness in defining like trends and generation trading signal, as well as the ability to be like flexibly adjusted to the different trading strategies. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It will help my channel a lot, and also subscribe to my Telegram channel, of course. I really want to help you to learn trading more optionally, and I will go also share with you my own free signals. And guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch my previous videos.